cholesterol deposit in our blood vessels. When the doctor sees 25%, 35% of cholesterol in our blood flow chart, the prescription that he prescribes is nothing but a bypass surgery. But my dear friends, the flax oil, which contains 95% of omega-6 fatty acid, can dissolve 95% of the cholesterol in our body. In our 3 years experience, my dear friends, there are a lot of people who have been prescribed bypass surgery, and for 20 days, 25 days they have consumed flax oil, and when they went for re-checkup, the flow chart shows the cholesterol deposit vanished. It was something great. The cost here is 90 capsules in India is 475, and the same 90 capsules in Dubai will just cost you 39 dirhams, which are any average people can consume. Next product is L-arginine, a very beautiful product by Vestige. This product was awarded Nobel Prize in 1998. My dear friends, everybody knows that if there is birth, there is death. But my dear friends, if a person is going to consume L-arginine on a regular basis, the research says that person's death will not be because of heart attack. That's a great product of L-arginine. This ensures the blood flow from your head to your toe is very perfect. Because of this, this product is also useful for sexual dysfunction, for people with diabetes, with chronic pain, and is also a very good product for anti-aging, my dear friends. It's a beautiful product, and this product now, my dear friends, is available in sachet form, and the cost of a sachet is just 75 rupees. The next product, Ganoderma. This is a type of a mushroom. This mushroom is termed as king of herbs, and it finds a very high place in the Chinese medicine. The reason, when we fall sick and when we go to doctor, they ask us to do scan. But when we consume this product itself will scan our body. It will find where the toxins, where the disorder is. It doesn't stop there. It removes the toxins from our body immediately. And not only that, because of the toxin, because of the imbalance, it removes that also. And it also nourishes our body. That's why this herb finds a high place in the Chinese medicine. And my dear friends, how water is to fire, Ganoderma is to cancer. It will not allow any unwanted thing to be available in the body. It will first thing is to remove it from our body. And this Ganoderma is marketed by a Malaysian firm, flower separately and the root separately, and both we have to consume, and the rate is around 2,500 rupees, and a Chinese firm markets this where the cost is around 3,000 rupees. My dear friends, the Vestige Ganoderma cost 90 capsules 700 rupees in India, and the same 90 capsules in Dubai cost 57 dirhams. Next product, glucosamine. Everybody knows it's common, my dear friends. Every man who is above the age of 50 and every woman above the age of 40 have arthritis problem. The reason is this glucosamine, which gets secreted in our body, it's diminishing after the age of 40. Because of the deficiency of glucosamine, our joints become unhealthy and there starts pain. And when we go to doctor, they give you painkiller and injections in the joint itself. 2 years, 3 years down the line, kidney has a problem, and the same doctor will ask you, did you consume any painkiller? But now what we are going to do? We are going to supplement our body with the glucosamine that is not being secreted in our body. And once when the body gets the required glucosamine, the joints become healthy and the pain vanishes. There are no side effects. The same glucosamine, my dear friends, an American company markets in India where the price is 2,800. An Indian company also markets the same thing at a price of 1,800. But my dear friends, this product, 60 capsules, in India in Vestige it costs 550 rupees, and in Dubai it just costs 43 dirhams. If you see, my dear friends, this 550 and 43 dirhams miracles, that 2,800 or 1,800 did not do, my dear friends. The next product, aloe vera. It's a very great herb which maintains our body temperature, and it's a solution for all our stomach problems like acidity, ulcer, indigestion, constipation, and also when our liver is weak and when our liver is not functioning well. It contains all the 20 amino acids and the minerals required by the body. The Vestige gives us this in a capsule form, leaving the juice form. In India, 60 capsules cost 240 rupees, and in Dubai this cost 19 dirhams. The next product, neem. In India, neem is termed as a divine tree. Neem oil is being put in a capsule form and given to us. This neem is antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal. It will not allow any disease to enter our body. Not only that, my dear friends, it will remove all the toxins from the blood, and very important, it maintains the blood sugar level in our blood. And in our 3 years experience, we got a lot of experience. More people who are suffering from diabetes consume neem, and within 40 days, 50 days, their sugar level became normal. In India, this 100 capsule cost 300 rupees, and in Dubai, the same neem cost you 24 dirhams. Next product, calcium. This calcium is required by old people, children, and even women. The structure that we get is because of this calcium. The calcium that we consume from outside creates stones in our kidney. But this calcium is taken naturally from the shells, plus it has got vitamin D. Hence, all the calcium that we consume from this gets absorbed in our body. And this calcium is now available in India by Vestige, 100 capsule costing you 200 rupees, and in Dubai, the same 100 capsules cost 16.5 dirhams. The next product, colostrum. This is the milk that a cow gives after giving birth to calf, which is called as bovine colostrum. Our company takes just 6 hours after the birth of the calf and puts it in a powder form, and in a capsule form this colostrum is given. This colostrum helps in making our immune system pakka because it has got immunoglobulins and it has got growth factors, because of which all the secretions in our body becomes normal, and as we consume colostrum our body becomes pakka. And this colostrum is available in India for 60 capsules at 450, and in Dubai the same 60 capsules cost 35 dirham. The next product, stevia. Everybody knows diabetic people carry one thing with them. When they order coffee or tea or milk, they ask them not to put sugar and give this. What is that? Sugar-free tablets which contain saccharin or aspartame. And if a person is going to consume this on a regular basis, they are 100% to get nervous disorder, because these products are taken from petroleum byproducts. But now, my dear friends, we have got an alternative. This stevia is an herb, a herb that is tulasi, a sweet tulasi. This is 300 times more sweeter than sugar, and it has got no side effects. And this stevia is now available in a 100 caps form with just 120 rupees as maximum price. The next product is slimming capsules. Today, the world's greatest problem is the obesity. To tackle this obesity problem, our company attacks it in totality. There are 3 herbs in slimming capsules. One herb takes care of the diet that we consume. The second herb takes care of the thyroid and makes it secrete properly. And the third herb converts or changes the memories of our cells. Whereas the other companies which deal with the slimming, they only deal with the diet. And my dear friends, Vestige offers this product in 90 capsule form, which costs just 1135 in India and which will come for 45 days. The other companies which deal with the weight management, which only take care of the diet, they have to spend nearly 8,000 to 12,000 rupees on a monthly basis. If you could compare the cost, this cost is very, very affordable. The next product is slimming patch. My dear friends, everybody knows we have our dinner at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, and just after 15 to 20 minutes of having dinner, we go to bed. So the food that you consume is nothing but it has to get converted into fat. Now, my dear friends, when you stick this patch in your feet, all the fat that is getting converted will be sucked by this patch. So no fat formation. This is the greatness of this product. The next product, protein powder. The most rich protein content powder in the world. It has got 82% protein. That means a 10 gram spoon will have 8.2 grams of protein. And this protein is very, very easily digestible. And this protein could be mixed with any of the food products. It could be deep freezed, it could be boiled. It will not lose its nutritional value. The next product is Detox Foot Patch. My dear friends, everybody, knowingly or unknowingly, we consume more than 400 types of chemicals that get into our body. If these chemicals remain in our body, that itself will cause us disease. To remove this, there is no other alternative. But my dear friends, 25 years of extensive research by Japanese people, they found one thing called as foot reflexology. By this, there is a patch which has got herbs. When we go to sleep in the night, when we stick this patch with a sticker in our feet, when we are sleeping, when the blood circulates in our feet, this herbs in the patch sucks the toxins available in the blood. The next day when we remove the sticker, the scene will be like this, my dear friends. Here we can see, but actually we can't see in it because the smell we can't tolerate. If a chain smoker takes it, he will have the nicotine smell coming out of it. a alcohol addict